Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Open App Store. Tap on this App Store icon. We need to log in with the Apple ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this Search tab. On the bottom right corner you can see Search tab. Tap on that. Then tap on this search field. Then type WhatsApp. Then search for WhatsApp. So this is a search result. Here we can see WhatsApp Messenger. Tap on that. Then tap on this download and install button. Tap here. Now it's installing WhatsApp Messenger. Please wait. Okay, done. Installation completed. Tap on open. Select agree and continue. Tap here. Tap on allow. Here we need to enter mobile number. Then tap on next. The next screen we need to enter OTP. We get OTP in our mobile phone. That OTP we need to enter in the next screen and verify the OTP. So that way we can download and install WhatsApp. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.